Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by connecting physical audio. First, plug the piano's line out or headphone into a USB audio interface, or connect via USB MIDI if available. Once done, power the interface and the piano and open Garageband. You need to choose the interface in Garageband's audio/MIDI preferences so the app receives audio and MIDI. Make sure the project sample rate matches the interface, typically 44. 1 or 48 kHz. This prevents latency and audio drift as you record. Now set up your tracks. Create an audio track for direct piano recording or a software instrument track if you're using MIDI to drive virtual pianos. Then assign the track's input to the interface channel you used. Once assigned, enable input monitoring so you hear the piano through GarageBand while playing. Adjust the interface trim so signal peaks around -6 dB to avoid clipping. If you're on USB MIDI, select the MIDI device and pick a virtual instrument, then test Note Input on screen. When you're ready, arm the track and record takes. Use cycle regions and comping to select the best phrases and make small edits with the scissor tool to tighten timing. After cleanup, add EQ to tame boxiness, light compression for dynamics, and a touch of reverb for space. Then bounce or export as WAV or AAC. If you hit issues, check cables and connectors first, confirm GarageBand's audio device and sample rate match the interface, and increase buffer size to reduce CPU strain and dropouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.